Hi everyone, how are you all? Now we are in a pandemic situation, staying inside the house. We have to overcome this situation only by increasing our immunity, that is breathing exercise. In this video, we are going to practice very easy and simple breathing exercises. Benefits: improves oxygen supply, slows the heartbeat, stabilizes blood pressure. First exercise, deep breathing. Let us sit straight in Sukhasana. Keep your palms open, facing upward. Keep on the laps. Close your eyes. Slowly, deep inhale. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Concentrate the breathing. 5 times we are going to practice. Exhale. Relax. Next exercise, abdominal breathing. We are going to keep our hands on the abdomen and going to concentrate the breathing. When you are inhaling, abdomen will go forward. Come on. Let's start. Inhale, exhale, exhale. Abdomen will go inside. Inhaling, abdomen will go forward. Inhale, exhale. Go for deep. Inhale, abdomen will go front. Slowly exhale, abdomen will go inside. Inhale, exhale. Concentrate the breathing rhythm. Inhale, exhale. Next exercise, thoracic breathing. We will keep our hands on the chest, another hands on the lap. Concentrate the breathing. Inhale, thoracic expand. Exhale. Relax. Next exercise, abdominal and thoracic breathing combination. Keep your left hand on the chest, right hand on the stomach. Concentrate the breathing. Thoracic expand and abdominal expand. Inhale, abdominal will go outside. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale through our nose, exhale through our nose. Relax. Next exercise, hand raise, right hand raise. Keep your hands in front of chest. Inhale, raise your hands right side. Exhale, bring it down. Again, once again, inhale, exhale. Relax. Now we'll go for left hand. Sit straight. Concentrate breathing. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Relax. Next exercise, windmill. We are going to raise both the hands upward. Sit straight, close your eyes, concentrate, inhale, exhale, just push hands forward. Inhale, raise your hands, exhale, push forward. Maximum. Exhale as much as possible. Exhale, relax. Sit straight. Next exercise, candle blowing. Just one candle is in front of you. You are going to blow at a time. Inhale, close your eyes, exhale at a time. Inhale, blow. Next, type 2 candle blowing. 5 candles are there. We are going to blow all the candle. Take inhale. Inhale. Maximum deep breath in. Exhale. Go for inhale. Deep inhale. Inhale. Relax. Next exercise. 5 candles at a time. We are continuously blowing without break. Come on, close your eyes, sit straight. Inhale. Blow. Once again, inhale. Take deep inhale. Maximum exhale. Inhale. Once again, inhale. Inhale. Relax. Next, stop blowing. Just imagine, take one glass of water, take one straw, hold it, and we are going to inhale maximum, and exhale, we are going to blow the straw. Exhale, bubbles will come continuously till the last breath. You have to continuously blow. Exhale through our mouth. Inhale through our nose. Exhale continuously. End of the breath, blowing. Take inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Slowly and steadily you have to exhale completely. Then you have to inhale deeply and exhale completely, continuously. Take inhale, deep breath in, breathe out, blow continuously, slowly and steadily. Come on, keep on doing. Completely exhale, breathe out. Take inhale, deep inhale, breathe in, exhale slowly and maximum expand. Continuously blow. Continuously relax. Now go for normal breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale 5 times you can do. Inhale, exhale, deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Okay, thank you everyone. All the best. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep practicing.